Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated 91 FM transmitters to boost radio connectivity in the country. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Minister meeting will be held in New Delhi today. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has asserted that development of relations between India and China is premised on prevalence of peace and tranquility at the borders. All major political parties have identified their campaigns for the 224 seats upcoming Karnataka Assembly elections. In Dubai, Badminton Asia Championships, PV Sindhu, HS Pranoy and men's double pair of Swatik Sairaj Rankiredi and Chirag Shetty will be playing their quarter-final matches today.